What's up, y'all? It's your boy Hezzy the Great, and I'm here to give y'all a rundown of the new Bleach Heat the Soul 7 English translation patch update. It's version 1.5. It has a couple new things, and I'm gonna go over some things that was in version 1.0 that I didn't make a video about. So, I'm gonna give y'all start to finish, and if you wanna ever know where to get the updates as soon as they're uploaded, it's just the official forums, ppsspp.org, and find the translation packs. Bleach Hit the Soul 7 is the only one. They're usually patch notes and everything. So, now to get started, you want to download the latest PPSP version. The stable version now works with the multiplayer, so you can download that if you want to. So I'm just go ahead and download that. I have Windows, so I'm gonna download it for Windows. Alright, so after you have your PPSSP, okay, so after you have your emulator extracted to your desktop and everything, you'll want to have the translation packs downloaded. If you need the pack, download the pack. If you already have the DLC, save data, cheats, and everything, you'll just want to download the regular one. So since this is a fresh install, I'm going to do everything. I'm going to just take it, make sure everything is there. Got changelog, which is the update information, soul code, whoops, that's not soul codes. Soul code, which is no soul code list. I only have 1 through 30 for this version, but sooner or later, all 200 or so will be done. So you just want to make sure everything is there. Game, that's the DLC folder. Save data, cheats, textures. Just want to take everything and drag it into your PPSSPP folder and replace it if anything is there already. And you can exit out. Now, you just want to open up PPSSPP and go to your settings. And you want to make sure the textures are even set to load. So you want to go to Tools, Developer Tools, and then you want to go down to Replace Textures and make sure that it's checked. Then, you know, just in case you want to play with your friends locally on the same computer, like split screen, you want to enable Ad Hoc Pro Server. Click on Change Pro Ad Hoc Server Address, toggle list, and go down to localhost and press OK. And you will also make a copy and paste of the PSPP folder and do that on the second one. Then refer to the last tutorial to see how to play online. It's the same steps. And that's it. You want to load your ISO. I'm going to show you guys the SHUREN DLC first. That will also be in the description, the regular one and version 1.01, which is the SHUREN DLC. So you have a start regular game. For some reason that doesn't work. Then you have start DLC, which is versus mode and multiplayer only. Yeah, this is also a free texture pack. If you pay for it, try to get your money back, file a report, something. Can't wait for the new anime. And you see, we are here at the main menu. Everything is in English. A picture of SHUREN to show that it's a SHUREN DLC, version 1.5. Press start. The versus CPU, multiplayer. Multiplayer works the same as, the regular game. You both load them up, go to Battle Royale or regular match, whatever you want to. Invite the player and you go in. Versus CPU, same thing. Or Battle Royale, normal battle. But the only difference of this is now I have an extra character. You have SHUREN. Also on this update, we have upscale portraits. They look a little better, you know. Thanks to Trident of the Abyss for this. It's pretty cool. Also have a new soul code menu. On the DLC, I don't know if you can have save files on there. I haven't tried, but the first 5 soul codes are here. And to see what they are, just open up soul code txt. Get you all the information right there. You find the one you want. Okay, like auto block number 5, pretty cool. I'll just go random for these guys. Also, stages are all translated. Plays pretty fun to play with. Oh, she's blocking her ass off. There we go. Also, you have new buttons. I'm also gonna make Xbox buttons because I do use an Xbox controller. So yeah. And that's all for the DLC. Nothing else. So now I'm gonna load the regular version and show you something else. Here. No, do what you do. Regular hours. Something new. Story mode is fully translated. So we just go to a random mission. I like this cutscene. See, everything is in English. Yeah. Yeah. Also changed it up. No, changed up the backgrounds, made it a little bit more lively. Instead of the in-game renders, I made it pictures from the actual anime. Things that adds a little spice. I haven't did all these other ones yet. Well, this one is done. But as for these two, which are basically you play with the enemies, like a switch of the story. You play from the other point of view. I haven't done those yet, which I don't think they have cutscenes anyway. So I probably won't do those. Conquest Mode hasn't been translated yet, but that should be in version 2 along with the tutorial mode. Tutorials haven't been translated, but practice mode have. This is, computer level 1, computer difficulty. This is them a dummy, they just stand still. This is them recovering, if they're in the air mid combo, they will recover out of the combo. This is they blocking all the time. This is they block after you hit them once. So you start off a combo, they'll block in the middle of it. This is your spiritual pressure meter, it's normal or infinite. This is your partner assist, how many times like you can switch out or use the partner attack in a row. You can have it infinitely or the normal. This is displaying inputs, like any fighting game. See the combo commands. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything. honestly. Look out for more videos on the way, such as combo videos or some of my favorites. Also, some advanced techniques if this game, gets like a true player base. I want y'all to be ready for it. So, that's all, and I'm out.